Hello and welcome to Learning Python programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to read and write binary data from file and into file. So let's start. I'm going to create new Python file as usual. So I'm going to create file handling demo2. And also I have copied one PNG file that that is named as Rust programming language black logo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this file to a shorter name. Let's name it as a Rust logo. And also change the extension so that it will be easy for us. Yeah, slow. So yeah, let's write down file name as rust logo.png. Right now, to start with, as usual, we will start with statement with open file name, and the mode is R, that is read, and the second is we are going to read it in binary mode, so we will be having will be passing B. Okay, so this is going to be input, and then we will open. Let's name it as input file name, and also let's have output file name, which will be the exact copy.png. Right, so we have open output file name, and this should be in write mode. So output, what we need to do is output.write what input has to offer. Right, yeah, we need to, yeah, now they are compatible, so we need to pass B also here. All right, let's run this. We have copy.png. Let's try to open this. Yes, so we have similar copy of Rust logo. Okay, so this is how we can copy binary content from one destination to another destination. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks.